Hey guys, so this was filmed a little while ago, but I just wanted to show you how I ended up organizing my bullet journal supplies, my Cricut supplies, the stuff that I use on the regular, and you can kind of see how I set up my bullet journal station, I guess you could call it. So stay tuned. Okay, this is my setup currently. This is my cute husband's spot where he does his homework and stuff, so it's a little, he's fine how he is. Here's mine. So, Mac, Cricut, keyboard, cords. Underneath, there's the Cricut box that I want to save, not quite get rid of yet. There's a bunch of crap under there. Printer. In here, we've got, I don't really know what's going on in here. Just bullet journal stuff. So I plan on like pulling everything out, getting rid of some stuff. Swoop to this side. This is my paper under here. Some cards. I think ideally I'd like my paper to be by the printer, which was by the computer. So I might hopefully find a solution for that. The thing that I am not happy with, well, that I would like to move is, this is my Cricut vinyl stuff. So ideally the Cricut stuff, right, the paper, the vinyl should be by my Cricut. So yeah, we got a lot of work to do, but my first step is going to be to just pull everything out, make sure I like it, and try and think of a way to organize it. So stay tuned. Here is most of my stuff. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna group it by papers, markers, try and group it, and then take inventory of what I maybe need to buy to organize it, and go ahead and organize it from there. All right, so here is the finished product. I'm actually not gonna focus on the side behind me because I like how things ended up. So still have the computer on the desk, we have the Cricut. I took away the papers, they were bugging me. I'll figure out what to do with those later. Let me show you what's in the drawers. Whoops, a little sneak peek at my next theme. So in this side is kind of your basic desk supplies that you need, right? Some pens right here, some office supplies that I in general use. This is my old bullet journal. Some church stuff, some keepsakes. Here's some techie things that I end up needing on my computer. And then I hate this, but this is where I have my Sharpies for now. I need like an open box for these, and I'll show you what I mean in my second drawer. Oops, speaking out. And this is all my extra bullet journal supplies that I can either give to people or gift to people. So that is this drawer. Now the bullet journal drawer. Ta-da! Happy with it. So I actually ended up using my Archer and Olive case for these markers. These are my Crayola Super Tips. I like because I can see them. These are my Zebra mild liners, and these are my gel pens. I use these two the most. I don't use my gel pens as much, and I like that I can see my washi tapes really clearly. And then of course I have my stamps and my stamp pads. So everything Cricut related is going to be right here. So I have scraps in this box. If I take out this box, which I'll need to do if I use my Cricut anyways, I have my paper trimmer to cut straight lines, and underneath here is my black paper and all my mats for my Cricut. So yes, it'll require me to pull out stuff, but I'm not too worried about it because it's right by the Cricut, so that's super nice, and I can just slide the stuff back in once I can pull out my Cricut stuff. And then, of course, in the back, I just have 50 million extra bullet journals to either make for people, give to people. I don't know what they're for, honestly. They're on sale, so I buy them. So, this is my nice and neat bullet journal spot. Yeah, these are the supplies that I use most regularly. Scraps, stamps, gel pen, not as much, but sometimes I do use them. Zebra mild liners and Crayola Super Tips. I don't have all my mild liners in here right now because I have a little pencil box that I keep the ones that I'm using in currently. And then it's easier for me to just keep this open and work right here, look at inspiration on my computer, cut out stuff for my Cricut. I'm really happy with my bullet journal setup. Thanks for watching, guys. Currently at the station, working on who knows what, bullet journaling constantly, never stopping. But yeah, I like how this works out. I think it's a good setup for the functionality and ease of use for as much bullet journaling that I do. See you guys.